UCAN won't come now. They have the presentation, and we're going to hear them.
UCAN is an agency that's been around since 1869. We service over 12,000 youth, children, and families on an annual basis. We have about 511 employees. We're a $36.7 million organization, and we have 25 major programs that all fall underneath categories of healing trauma, preventing violence, and then educating children and families. We have 9 major locations across the greater Chicagoland area, and we're accredited through the Council of Accreditation and also through the Council of Health and Human Service Ministries. We're here today to share with you some exciting news, which we believe is exciting, is a big move that is called our city plan, the Chicago Institute for Transforming Youth. And with that, I'm going to bring up Tom Vandenberg, our CEO, to share more about what city is and where we're going to be at. And the major reason that we're here, beyond sharing information, is to ask that you welcome us into the North Lawndale community as a viable business, but then also as an organization that's passionate about helping young people achieve a more substantive and a wholesome quality of life.
UCAN is very committed to keeping our young lives safe. And so we've advocated for a long time for the elimination of gun violence amongst our youth, and we'll continue to do that. We're a strong advocacy group. Social justice is one of the deep, deep commitments that we have. We served over 12,000 youth this past year. We're all in the Chicagoland area, as far south as Riverdale, as far north as Vernon Hills. And the Westside is a wonderful opportunity for us because it is most centrally located. Headquarters right now are on 3737 North Mozart. We have an old facility there that's been outdated, and we can no longer provide the kind of adequate service that we need for our therapeutic youth home, serving 60 kids, some of the most severely troubled of our youth who come from the Department of Children and Family Services, kids who suffered trauma. Culturally sensitive programs that work to the development of our youth is what we're all about. Look at us on our website, www.ucan.chicago, and you'll get a good picture of who we are and what we believe in. We're not new to the community. We've been around since 1869. I'm the founder of the organization. That was a joke on 1869. Sorry, I couldn't help it. But I've been there for 25 years, and my career started on the West Side as a 19-year-old kid working at St. Francis Cabrini Church in a summer youth program, and also with Martin DePoor House, Settlement House, back in 1966. Also worked on the West Side for a long period of time there. But I want to introduce you to some of our employees who have been with us now, who live in the Lawndale community. We have 33 employees overall at work, and I want to share a little of their story. So thank you very much for this opportunity.
Yolanda Robinson with the Mentoring and Advocacy Program. We work inside of Marshall High School. We're part of the new pilot program where we have mentors in the school. So we just wanted to present that to you. And a lot of our students are transitioned over to the PASS program as well. So.
We are very active at Marshall High School, Powerhouse High School, Bethune Elementary, and Johnson Elementary, where we're doing a 360 program that really focuses on youth violence prevention, trauma reduction, education with teachers and staff in those facilities, and piggyback on Mr. Vandenberg, just being very focused and very intentional about our efforts to try to reduce trauma in the communities.
I'm the Reverend Tyrone Folks, and I'm the Director of Spiritual Formation at UCAN. A lot of people don't know that we actually come out of a faith heritage. We were born out of St. Paul's Church. It was then, back in 1869, St. Paul's Evangelical Lutheran Church, and now it's St. Paul's United Church of Christ, which is on Fullerton Parkway in the Lincoln Park area. But out of that basement of that church, our agency was born, and it was born out of an idea that youth who really needed to be taken care of because their fathers did not return home from the Civil War, that those children needed to be taken care of. And so the pact was made that those children will be taken care of by those who did return from the Civil War. And that seed essentially sparked our agency. We are connecting very much to that heritage by way of the Spiritual Formation Program, which is the formation program that I direct, which is all about helping our young people get in touch with their spiritual journey, helping them get in touch with the voice of God, helping them know the value of their lives. We would all agree, whether we're a teacher, whether we're a doctor, a lawyer, a politician, a judge, a community worker, an advocate, we would all agree that children who value their lives tend to make better choices about their lives. UCAN is all about helping our young people make better choices about their lives. And so on behalf of all my colleagues at UCAN, the 500+ employees, we look forward to working with you and getting your support in this effort of city, and looking forward very much to working with you and becoming partners with you as we make our way into the North Lawndale community. So thank you very much.